Hello everyone, this is Zheng from JC Chinese, and in this video we will continue to learn two Chinese characters related to orientation. They are 上 above or on top, and 下 below or underneath. And these are the two characters 上 above, 下 below. Now, please follow me and let's write those two characters together.
Okay, the first character we are going to write here is 上. It means above or on top. Now pay attention to the stroke order. The first stroke is a vertical stroke, and next a horizontal stroke, and the last one a horizontal stroke. And this is a very easy character, and this character has in total 3 strokes. And its pinyin is 上 I'm use red pen to write its initial 诗, and its final is on. And its falling tone 上 I'm going to write this character again. You can write it with me. 上 and it means above. And this character is a single structure character. Next character I'm going to write is 下. It means underneath. Now pay attention to the stroke order. The first stroke is horizontal stroke, and next one is a vertical stroke, and the last one is a dot. Right, this is a very easy character too, and there are in total 3 strokes. And its pinyin is 下 The initial is 西 and its final is 呀 and is a falling tone 下 Going to write it again. It means underneath. Or below. Now I'm going to use those two characters to form some vocabularies. The first vocabulary I'm going to write here is 上面. It means above or on top. 上面 食物在桌子的上面 The food is on top of the desk. 食物在桌子上面 上面 means above or on top. 上面上面 Next one, 下面 It means below or underneath. 食物在桌子的下面 The food is below the table. 下面 Pinyin is 下面下面上面下面 Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe below. Thanks again. 感谢观看。